Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off that orange light on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you see an orange light is showing on your iPhone iOS 18 and you want to turn it off again on your iPhone, then how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, you have to check whether it is turned off or not. If it's still there, then you can also go for reset all settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now you have to simply click on general again, and you have to simply check whether you have installed the latest version of iOS on your device, because many bugs and errors are fixed by the latest version. Now what is that orange light on your iPhone? Basically, an orange light is shown on your iPhone when your iPhone uses camera or microphone on your device. So if it is showing, which means you are using your microphone or camera on your iPhone. If it is if you are not using your camera or microphone, which means someone is spying on your iPhone iOS 18, and you have to check any kind of app which is used as spyware, so that you do not get any kind of spyware activity on your iPhone. So you can simply check for that. There are many apps which check for spyware and malware on your iPhone iOS 18. On App Store it will be available, so you can simply search for that apps, and after that you can simply scan your iPhone so that nothing like spyware is installed on your iPhone iOS 18. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe my channel.